What's your name, boss?
My name is Alex Tito.
Yeah, it's there. Can you talk to go up? I need to talk up. No. Talk loud.
Yes, I live here in Tucker, Georgia, and I'm a landscaper, and I also recycle metal.
Oh, recycle metal, right?
Yes, that's what I live in.
What your hand put in the pic and the check for? What the check?
This is a check from Olympus Recycling. This is what I made today.
Yeah. No. I don't like it. A personal life for you. You know this in the September, everybody to pay plastic from housing. You do it?
Yes, we pay.
What do you think?
I think it's high. It's very. It should be not that high, but it is. Everything is going up. Nothing is going down.
Anh ấy nói rằng là
we don't get a raise, you know.
Anh đang nói rằng là anh ấy chuẩn bị đi đóng thuế mà mọi thứ nó đều lên trên trời hết thì nó không đi xuống, tức là thác nhà, xe cộ gì. You say everything go up?
Yes, everything.
You think difficult your life?
Is my life difficult? I mean, it's difficult because I'm working all the time. There's no vacation, no break, no nothing.
Okay.
Every day.
Anh ấy nói là cuộc sống của anh nó rất là cực. Anh không có nghỉ cuối tuần, không có nghỉ phép. Anh làm việc mỗi ngày luôn. You working on every day, no vacation, no holiday, no nothing.
4
right?
or 5 hours of sleep. That's all I get. And but I got house, I got cars, and then I got merchandise. I got merchandise to sell. Furniture, jewelry, clothes for women and men. Bicycles. I have over 140 bicycles.
Anh ấy nói rằng là anh chỉ ngủ một ngày có 5-6 tiếng đồng hồ thôi, vì anh là người đi lượm sắt vụn, đi lượm những cái đồ mà lung tung lang tang người ta bỏ. Anh đi kiếm tiền rất là khó khăn. Anh phải bán những cái thứ đó. Anh có 150 chiếc xe đạp. Bây giờ là lúc anh phải gom tiền để anh đóng thuế. At this time, you need to make the money for tax, right?
Yes, I need. I almost there. I need to pay it off. If I was married or had a good girlfriend, I wouldn't have all these issues.
Okay.
Maybe I could be wrong. As long as if I was married and had a companion, I think I would be more not under stress. You have something to come home to. You know, she cook for you or she give you a foot massage.
Ông bảo là ông muốn có một người bạn gái để giúp cho ông ấy nấu nướng để còn ấy cho nó vui nữa.
Make me happy. Happy ending.
You know that everything go up from taxes, the gas, the something, food, the something go up together. Or no?
The something?
The gas and food.
Oh yeah, gas goes down in the winter, but food goes up, and they make the packages smaller. The price goes up, and you get less.
You know, and every day we work, we need the money every day, pay that, and then I think that the food and the gas no problem because in a little bit. One day you spend taxes, you spend the insurance something, and everything, and food a little bit, no more, right?
Yeah, but the insurance is crazy on the house. It hasn't been 1 year yet, and it was $550 for the house insurance. Now, a year went by, almost 1 year. Not quite a year, and it's $714. That's how much it's gone up in price. That's just to give you an example on the house insurance. So whether you have a car, you have a house, if you end up paying or have a problem, whether a tree falls on your house or you have storm damage, you have a deductible, but then they raise your premiums up. So you always losing whatever you buy as an investment. The government here, I don't know, in other countries too, they could be not helpful, or I call them crooked. They're crooks because We elect them, and then they take advantage of the people.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what happens. Not only this country, but other countries. But I don't trust the government.
Anh ấy nói anh không tin vào chính phủ được, mà khi anh mua cái giá insurance của nhà thì 550 đồng, bây giờ nó lên 640 đồng. Nhưng mà cái vấn đề mà storm, vấn đề là cây ngã vào nhà là phải deductible rất là nhiều tiền, chứ không phải là các bạn cứ mua xong là insurance nó đền đâu. Thành ra đây là một câu chuyện của một người Mỹ da trắng, anh làm việc cực khổ lắm. Anh kể cho chúng ta nghe cuộc sống của họ. I think you had the 3 car in need to insurance, right?
3 cars, yes.
How much the total bill for a month or for year?
For the year, let me see. I'll tell you, it's 400 plus another about 3,000 for the year.
For year.
Yeah, 1,500.
1,000 for 1,000 equally in car. One car to 1,000?
No. The truck is 420.
No. You total bill, then the 3 car for insurance, the 1,000 per 1,000 per year, right?
No.
You say
3,000.
3,000 3 car.
3,000 per year, but the Ford truck is the cheapest, and the Oldsmobile is like 740, and then the Honda is 660. So the truck is the biggest one, but it's the cheapest one.
That's
For
why
insurance.
3,000 per year.
For all three, yeah.
For 3, right?
Yeah, 1,500 every 6 months, 3,000 a year.
Ok. Anh ấy nói là một năm anh trả 3.000 đô cho 3 chiếc xe, vừa là một chiếc xe F-150, một chiếc 2 chiếc xe chiếc Honda Accord và một chiếc Oldsmobile. Nó là 3.000 đô một năm. Ôi trời ơi, một năm anh ấy chi ra rất là nhiều tiền cho cái câu chuyện là insurance này kia. I think you spend the money for meat eating little bit, no more, right?
I spend less on eating now.
How much you?
The gas in the cars are
Gas is you pay the large gas.
a lot of gas.
Yeah, so because
I'm always driving.
Yeah, you're more driving,
I'm
and then
more in the cars than I'm in the house. And then the insurance said that I'm going to get a discount because if I insure the house with the cars, but they go up on the price. There's no discount. They cheat you. They say they're going to give you discount, but then they go up on the price. It doesn't stay the same. Same thing with the dentist. When you go to have your teeth cleaned here, the teeth clean. I went. It was $130. Next time you go, it's like $142. Every time you go, they raising the
Go
price. Every time. When I cut the grass, I can't go up every time, or I don't.
I know.
I keep my price.
Anh ấy nói rằng là giống như làm răng vậy, cứ một lần tới là bác sĩ nó bảo lên giá, chứ không có còn một cái giá cũ. Thành ra là cái cuộc sống nó vô dụng vất vả. Còn anh ấy đi cắt cỏ đấy, thì anh bảo là cắt cỏ nó đâu có được lên giá đâu. Lên giá khách hàng nó không chịu trả tiền, nên nó rất là khổ. I need a question to you. How much the sample? How much you charge for cuts and wrap something?
Cut the grass. Usually it's like $50 an hour I charge.
50 out. One time you see that, and then you working on the $50, right?
If I say that's about an hour's cut, edge and blow, I charge 50.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anh ấy nói là anh ấy cắt cỏ cho người ta thì anh ấy trả chỉ có 50 đô một cái sân vườn nho nhỏ thôi, còn làm cái gì thêm tính thêm. Thì như bạn của tôi thì họ nói rằng là bây giờ họ cắt cũng phải 60 đến 75 đô một nhà, còn anh ấy cắt hơi thấp. I say somebody else because I have my friend, he landscape worker. He working on in the job 65 to 65 to 75 per hour.
65 to 75?
Yes.
And what's he do again? His job?
Now the landscape, the same you cut.
That's good. That's good price.
That's good price, right?
Yeah, that's good price. Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's me. I use small lawnmower. I don't use the rider.
Oh yeah. He having the big rider.
Yeah, if you have rider, you can make more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He make a new rider. 15,000.
That's how much he spent.
Yeah.
That's a lot.
À,
I hope he has it insured.
Yeah. Tôi nói với anh ấy là ông bạn của tôi mới mua cái máy cắt cỏ mà ngồi cưỡi lên mà chạy vòng vòng là 15.000 đô. Mà cái đó là phải mua insurance nữa. Nói chung là ở bên Mỹ này làm cái nghề gì cũng phải mua insurance hết. Thế rồi để tôi hỏi thêm một câu cuối cùng để tôi làm việc nữa, đã 10 phút rồi. You last time what you think election for Trump or Harris? What you choose? Alex,
Yes.
what you choose? Before you choose the Mr. Trump or you choose the Kamala Harris? Election.
I didn't choose either one because I didn't register in time. I would have picked Trump.
You make the Trump?
Yeah, I would have picked Trump because I don't think that lady's going to be strong enough to handle Putin.
Yeah, I know.
Trump.
Yeah, anh nói là anh ủng hộ ông Trump vì anh không nghĩ là một người đàn bà có thể là có sức mạnh để handle cái nước Mỹ này được. Thank you so much. You interacted to me 10 minutes at interacting everything on it. Thank you so much, Alex. See you again.
Yes, God bless your country and your people. Thank you.
Yeah, bye bye.
Bye.